Hi guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of the Colorful Gardener. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Avante Gardens. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing and liking this video. Okay guys, so of course we've got another unboxing video. I want to show you a cool place that I've never got any plants from before, so I want to give you that first-hand experience for me as well. I'm gonna get the boxes right here. And again, this place is called Avante Gardens. It's a mail order nursery that specializes in perennials, especially rare and unusual ones. Again, I've never purchased from them before, so this is a first-time experience for me. I got this about a week ago. I ordered about 3 plants, mostly fall blooming plants because I want to get more color in my garden in the fall time. And they had an Aster that I was really interested in getting that no one else was offering, so I was like, I might as well grab it. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? Using my trusty soul knife. Okay dokie, so we've got the box. All right, this is a first. We've got some, I'm not really sure what this material is. It's like, use it in decor. It's like some kind of, maybe it's like shredded pieces of wood. But we've got our late summer fall plant care for upon arrival, unpack immediately. So of course, with all mail order nurseries, they're gonna have a little slip of paper letting you know what you should be doing when your plants arrive. If you are unsure, I'm gonna put a link in the bottom for Annie's Annuals unboxing. And I did a little tutorial at the end of the video to show you what you should be doing when your plants arrive and get them ready for your garden. So we've got all this. I think this is biodegradable. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's wood shavings. I'm gonna put this on my compost and just compost this down. So that's nice. Nice little way to keep your plants in here. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Just pull the first plant out. Okay, so this is a fairly large plant, as you can tell. It's got some white paper wrapping around it. And there's some bamboo canes in here. I like that to keep that plant supported. Okay, so this first plant is a Rudbeckia called Rudbeckia Little Henry. Up, and it just snapped. Okay. All right. So in my garden, I have a larger version of this called Henry Eilers, and this is Little Henry, and it gets half the size. The problem with my Henry Eilers is that it tends to flop, and so I was looking for a much smaller one, and so I'm gonna see how well it does versus the taller one. I might throw the taller ones out and replace it with the smaller ones. Supposedly what I've read online is that this plant doesn't need to be staked. Let's see what happens when I replace this guy with my taller versions and see how well it does in my garden. And as you can see, little tiny blooms already coming out. Super cute little plant, very adorable. It comes in these 5" by 6" pots, 4" by 5" pots, and wrapped with this wooden string-like material. If you know the name of this material, please put it in the comment below. I don't have a clue what the name of this material is, but I've seen it before in like arts and crafts stores, and obviously we can use it as a packing. Plants look super healthy, no browning of the leaves, got blooming going on. Everything looks really good with this first plant I'm pulling out. So far, so good. Okay, pulling out the second one. Oh my goodness. So this was that Aster I was really wanting. This is, oh, one thing okay, so that one didn't have a tag in it. Okay, so this one does though. Okay, good. So it's got my last name on it. And this is, oh no, okay, so it doesn't have the name in the pot. Not crazy about that. I think a newbie would have a hard time figuring out what the plant is, even though they did buy the plant, they bought a lot of plants. They might get confused, so that's no bueno. But at least you get an invoice so you can check back, and I obviously know what this one is. Okay, so this one is I love Asters, but the name kills me. Symphyotrichum Vasterival. Aster Vasterival. And it's got these beautiful pink flowers on it, very tall, which I prefer tall asters versus the smaller ones. I'll put a link in the bottom for my video on asters, which is kind of informative where I talk about asters, but I've been really getting into asters. I've noticed in my garden, they're very easy to grow, super tough plants. I don't have to worry about watering them, tough as nails. And I used to think them as a really boring plant, but now I'm beginning to see that they're really useful. And they provide me color at this time of year when everything else is slowly dying. The asters are kicking in and just giving me that pop of color from September to October. It's wrapped up like it is. Oh my goodness. So they obviously send the plant as is. They don't cut it back for you. Some might like it like that, some do. I like it full size like this. Okay, this one has a tag in it, interesting. So two of them didn't, this one did, interesting. This is Chrysanthemum Hannah's Double White. So chrysanthemums are also a great perennial to use in your garden for color, along with asters. So I have already in my garden Chrysanthemum Hillside Shuffled Hillside Pink, and it is this beautiful pink chrysanthemum. I'll probably show that in a future video, but I want to try a different one. This one looks really cool and interesting. It's a double white. And these chrysanthemums are perennials. Okay, so the chrysanthemums you're seeing in front of like big box stores don't tend to perennialize well, and they aren't very good growers. I'm just stating the facts. That's what I've seen, what I've heard, and what I've grown in my own garden versus the old-fashioned chrysanthemums that do really well. These are more spreading. They'll fill an area in, and you get lots more flowers, in my opinion, than these dome shapes they sell you. So super hardy plants I've purchased, but all three of these provide me late summer, early fall color. So I'm glad, I hope this coincides with you and you're thinking about getting some plants from Avante Gardens. Definitely check them out. I've been really happy with this order. I was a little worried because the box was a little janky on the outside, but the quality of the plants they're sending me and what the wrapping and the paperwork and all that, it's nice. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, the plants look really healthy too. I've been eyeing their website for a couple of years, and I've never purchased anything because I'll usually find a plant on another website. But eventually I just went through and just picked three to see what they had, and I'm not mad about it. This is a really nice order of plants. The plants look really super healthy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you give a chance to check out what they've got going on their website. I'll put a link to their website in the bottom. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing and liking this video. Again, share this with all your gardening friends. If they're thinking about buying new plants, check out all my unboxing videos. I've got a playlist on my channel, so you can check out those. And I'll be putting out more videos soon, guys. I'm trying to do it once a week, and we'll see what happens from there. But other than that, I'll see you guys in future videos.